Today we're looking at a short tutorial on creating a branded profile picture in Canva, basically going from something like this to something like this. First of all, you'll note that it's 3 layers. We have the branded icon layer, the transparent layer, and the edited image. So first we have our branded icons, and I'm just taking that transparency down to about 40. Now I'm going to get an element, a gradient. Now this one we will send to the back, and there we go. And we will change the colors to brand colors and rotate that around. So now we have that. We can look at editing the image. Quickly, we'll firstly background remove, and then we're going to go to Magic Edit. This is to change the shirt. So we just do a quick rough tracing of where we want to change. Okay, now describe your edit. I want to change shirt to plain black. Okay, you can see we've got a couple options here. I might go with this first one. Now we click done. And just move this here. And center that in the middle, and you're done. Then you just go to share, download PNG, and we're just going to go to current page. Done. Download. There you go. Hope that was helpful.